This is Brad with Blue Nile Farm. I want to talk about putting hydraulic lines from an attachment onto a skid steer. And I'm just talking about low flow now, but it applies also for high flow units as well, depending on what you're putting on. You know, a lot of times these things won't go on as they should. And the reason for that is, even though you decompress and push these plugs in and for like 15 seconds and you know that there's no pressure here, there's pressure buildup in the lines. And the only way you're going to relieve this pressure is by breaking the coupler and the hose from itself. So the best thing you should do is carry crescent wrenches with you. Grab one of the lines, break it, and you can either take the end off or you can just break it enough and let the fluid come out of it. Sometimes you have to do both lines, sometimes you have to do one line. And I just wound up doing this a little bit ago, but I just want to give you a quick demonstration. And so once you break the pressure, this should go on very easy, and that's all you need to do. But once there's too much fluid in here and there's pressure buildup, you can try for hours and it won't work. So when I talk about relieving pressure on a piece of equipment, this also applies to tractors as well. A lot of the tractors that I own have third function valves to them. I use them a lot for grapples, and with the grapples themselves, a lot of times I have pressure issues similar to this. So again, whether you have two of this size crescent wrenches or a big one and a smaller one, whatever gets the job done, make sure you always carry these with you. Because a lot of times I'll be on a job site somewhere and I'll be flopping equipment around that have hydraulic lines, and sometimes it works and I don't have to relieve the pressure, and sometimes for some reason they get all heavy with pressure. So this is the easiest and fastest way to relieve it, and it's definitely a benefit to you. Always carry a rag too, because it is an oily little mess, and maybe you need to have additional hydraulic fluid, so keep your eye on that too, because these lines do suck up a lot of fluid too. They go through the system, and it's just a constant maintenance issue back and forth. But this is, I found, to be the fastest and most efficient way to quit fighting hooking up attachments when there's a lot of pressure in the lines. Hopefully that'll help you guys.